Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the biggest names in the AI video creation platforms in 2026, HeyGen and Synthesia. This video will help you figure out which one is actually worth it for your content creation, business videos, training, marketing, or internal communications. We'll break down what each tool does, how their features stack up, price differences, key advantages and disadvantages, and finally, which one might be right for your workflow. So let's get started. HeyGen is a cutting-edge AI video platform that lets you create videos without cameras, actors, studios, or editing skills. You can type in a script or upload content, pick an avatar, choose a voice, select a language, and the AI generates a polished video in minutes. This is perfect for explainer videos, ads, social content, pitch videos, or personalized outreach. It's built around high-quality AI avatars that look and speak like real people, and it supports multilingual narration and custom voice and avatar cloning, which are useful if you want a consistent brand personality or a digital spokesperson. How about Synthesia? Synthesia is one of the most established AI video platforms in the world, used by thousands of companies, including large enterprises. It turns text into video with expressive AI avatars that can speak over 160 languages and adapt performance based on your script. What sets Synthesia apart is its enterprise focus. You can manage, localize, publish, and update videos at scale with brand kits, team collaboration, and version control, all built into the platform. That's why big businesses use it for training, internal communications, global marketing, onboarding, and compliance videos. Now, what are the main features of both platforms? We start with the features of HeyGen. AI avatars and voices. Yes, there are hundreds of avatars and custom avatars from photos and videos, as well as voices. Text to video. Yes, you can turn scripts into fully narrated videos. And there's also voice cloning. You can add your own voice or brand voices. Multilingual. There's support for dozens of languages and dialects. Templates and editing tools. Yes, there are scene editors, screen recording, slides, and transitions all available. As well as a brand kit where you can add your logos, colors, fonts, which is great for businesses. Also, the rendering is very fast. Many videos finish within a few minutes. HeyGen's strength is flexibility. Yes, unlimited videos in paid tiers, tons of avatar customization, and features that are geared towards creators and marketers. How about the features of Synthesia? Expressive avatars. There are over 125 stock AI avatars and fully customizable brand avatars. AI scripts and video assistants. It helps generate or refine scripts automatically. Then there's the team collaboration. Real-time edits, comments, and review workflows all are possible in the live collaboration feature. Branding and localization. It has a strong support for corporate branding and one-click translation in over 160 languages. How about the analytics and control? There is version control, there is LMS exports, and enterprise policies. Last but not the least is the integration. It integrates well with other tools, API and enterprise workflow support available. Synthesia is ideal for companies that need scalable, consistent multilingual content across teams. So let us talk about the pricing now. For HeyGen, there's a free plan at $0 per month, although limited. There's a creator plan at $29 per month when you pay monthly, and there's the pro plan at $99 per month. The price is reduced when you pay yearly, and of course there's a plan for businesses at $119 per month when paid yearly. If you're a bigger enterprise, you can contact the sales teams so that they can give you a custom-made pricing that fits your brand. And the pricing of Synthesia? There's a basic plan as well, free. It is usable for 10 minutes of video per month. A starter plan at $29 per month, a creator plan at $89 per month, and an enterprise plan as well where you can get custom-made pricing. Synthesia uses credits minutes per plan, so you need to plan for regular video production. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For HeyGen, It is affordable and flexible, highly customizable avatars and voices, and fast generation with social media focus. And the pros of Synthesia? It has polished professional outputs, so it's great for corporate content. There's strong collaboration and localization tools, and over 160 languages with brand control. And how about the cons? For HeyGen, some features are locked behind higher tiers, and there's possible limits or unexpected restrictions in some cases. And the cons of Synthesia? There's a higher cost per minute compared to HeyGen, and it can feel rigid if you want full creative control. So which is better, HeyGen or Synthesia? Well, neither platform is universally the best. It depends on what you're trying to do. If you're a solo creator, a marketer, or a small business owner who wants flexibility, fast video creation, and creative control, HeyGen has massive value, especially with unlimited videos and tons of avatars and voice options. But if your goal is enterprise level training, corporate communications, large team collaboration, or highly branded global content, Synthesia's polished localization tools and professional workflows give it a real edge. And that's it on the comparison of HeyGen and Synthesia. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Creatify, Descript, and Deep Brain AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.